Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to create a chess piece, which is the castle. So now let's get started with the video. First of all, we're going to add a cylinder. So press Shift A and mesh, go select cylinder and bring down the size of the cylinder. You can find any reference image from the internet and you can use it as a reference. To add a reference, let me show you how to add a reference. Press Shift A and go to image or empty. Maybe image will be much more easier, and then select reference and select the image and right here, and let's delete because I have already have a reference. So now let's start with the modeling. So press G and then Z to bring the cylinder out here and go to edit mode. We're going to scale the chess piece, and we're also going to add a lookup here and scale down S, and then let's add a lookup once again around here S, and also add another lookup. You can also achieve this with the extrusion of the cylinder, but I prefer like adding a each loop. So, yeah, and scale it out here. We're going to add one lookup around here. S, and then we need to make this scale down, and we're going to add another lookup around here. So another lookup in here and scale it a bit. And now we are almost got the basic shapes. So now let's continue with this one, and we also need to add another lookup around here and scale it down. Press G and Z. Shift. Yep. And that's it. So let's go back to front view, and now let's extrude the rest of the parts. So let's extrude by pressing E and then go to the axis right here, and we are going to scale it down. And in middle, I don't think we need any lookups right now. It fits the reference image perfectly. So now let's extrude around here and scale it there, and go to R and S and extrude once more. S, and let's extrude right here and scale it down. We will the lookups after we done with extrusions, and extrude once more and check there. Let's add a lookup and scale it up, and we're also going to add lookup and scale it down and add another lookup and scale it down there, and we're going to move in Z axis like this and scale it up a little bit right here. And now let's see, we almost got it. Now let's create this part of the castle. So now For that, let's go to object mode and go to mesh solid mode, and then I think we don't need this one. Select this face in edit mode and then X and 3, or you can press X and then select edges out here. The shortcut is X and 3 to delete the face. And now let's fill this each loop. So what we're going to do is we're going to do with this is now we're going to delete this one, the faces, some of the face. Let's go to X mode and then select this and this and this and this. Go to and we're going to delete every this one, and we're also going to delete this one and delete this one. And with X and 3. Now with this we are going to add a solid another modifier, which is solidify modifier, solidify. And let's say, and we're going to increase the thickness. Inward this much. And let's apply the solid modifier. So Control A to select object mode and then Control A. All you can do is go right, drop down this one and apply it from here. And now let's go back to edit mode and we're going to extrude from this edge loop. Select all these edge loops. And now let's go to front view and then go to the wireframe mode, press C and then select wireframe. And let's extrude. We have extrude. Now extrude again and scale right here. I think that's it. Let's go back to solid mode. Now let's fill the middle one by pressing F. And yeah, we got the basic shape of it. And let's go back to object mode and let's shade it smooth. So now we have some weird shapes out here. It's not smoothing very well. So let's add another modifier, which is subdivision surface, to add another like additional resolution like this one, and we're going to denote, and then we're going to add a liquid. So let's go to wireframe mode, this one, and we are going to add a liquid. And for now, let's hide the solidify modifier. Let's add a liquid. Also, let's add some edges by pressing I. We're going to adding an insert basically, and I again. That's it. And let's add another liquid near to its neck right here. Let's add a few liquids so that when we add a salty modifier, it will looks good. Let's go to solid mode. We need more liquids here, and one more liquid near these edges. So let's see how it's looking. Now it's looking better. Now let's enable the solidify modifier, and it's looking good. So now let's give this a texture. So go to shading and add, click on the new material, new, and then let's give color black. And let's increase the roughness. And, yep, and that's it. And we have created a chest piece, and it's looking pretty nice. And that's it for the tutorial video, and thank you very much.